What up, y'all? This is Knight Rider. We're gonna talk about today. That was too calm. What's up? This is Knight Rider. That's a lot better, ain't it? We're gonna talk about today. Disabling comments. You guys don't know me. I'm very liberal with my comment section. I extremely rarely delete comments, even if there's something negative about me. I hate people stifling free speech or whatever, or speech at all. So I get irritated when I see videos that have disabled comments. What do I mean by disabled comments? Well, if you watch a video and you look down on the comment section, you can't read or leave a comment at all. It's empty, it's blank. Now, people have different reasons for doing this, obviously, but I don't like it. I hate it, and I don't do it. All my videos you can leave a comment on. Hey. all my videos you can comment. Leave a hate comment, be a jerk. I don't care. I like people talking. I like hearing people's opinions. But there are a lot of videos that will not let you comment. For example, there was I believe an iPhone 6 video that you cannot read comments on. They obviously did not want you reading or knowing about their product in any kind of negative fashion, so they disabled the comments, which I am strongly opposed of. I want people to be able to speak and talk about the product, because they probably let you know what's something wrong with it. A lot of companies do it if they think you're going to say anything negative about their product. They don't want you to. Perfect example, prime example. If you guys are familiar with the Skully helmet, the high-tech expensive helmet, well, they had a comment section that was headed toward the negative side. People were saying negative things about their helmet, but legitimately so, and also about their marketing tactics. And I remember, because I looked at the comment section, and it was getting bad, but they have some good points about why the helmet sucked. And then not too long after that, Skully took the video down. No, they didn't take the video down. They disabled the comments so you couldn't see it. But I remember those comments, and I thought that was bullcrap. I understand it, and they have a right, it's their video, but I have a right not to watch it, and I won't watch it. So that's my thing. I want free speech. I want my choice. I want to be able to read what other people think about your product. So me personally, I will never disable my comments. And also personally, I won't watch videos that have disabled comments. Unless it's something really crucial for me to see, something news, but other than that, yeah, I won't watch a video. If you got your comments disabled, no, like, oh, screw that. Me personally, I think that's a punk move. You don't want to hear anybody's comment that is opposing to yours. I get plenty of comments that are opposing my views. This tribal lever hurts my knuckles when I'm shifting. Ah! I don't prefer custom bikes, guys. I don't. So, and you guys talk to me a lot. And if you're familiar with my channel, you know that I pretty much let anything fly, whether you agree with me or not. And I think that even the people who don't like me respect that fact. I can't turn right here. That's how I feel about deleting comments. I think it's a punk move and I don't like it and I don't do it. Just willy-nilly. So alright y'all, that's my little piece. Y'all tell me what y'all think about watching videos that have deleted comments or disabled comment sections. I'm sure y'all don't like it because everybody likes to comment. But just tell me how you feel about it. But anyway, that's my piece. This is Night Rider signing out. Go and get the exercise, baby. Deuces. Oh.